Hi, today I have Vivo V29 Lite and I want to show you how see available random access memory on this device. To see that, open settings application. In it we must turn on our developer option. To do that, scroll down to the system selection and there not system, about phone selection, and there we must find our build number because we need to activate our develop mode. And it is in our status and not there software information, and there we have build number. Sometimes to activate it, confirm it entering our look screen. And where we are in develop mode, we can go back to the main menu of our settings where we choose system option. There we have new additional option, developer option. We tap on it and there memory. Now we can read that we have free 4.06 gigabytes RAM. That's all, thanks for watching, bye.